Welcome to this exercise on the value map approach. Here we have for 4 products, first of our own prices which we charge and the average prices the competitors charge. Additionally, in those 2 columns, we have the share regarding revenues of the products where we are rated superior to our competitors and the share where we are rated inferior to our competitors. Since those 2 rarely add up to 100%, I can add we are missing 1 column here where we are rated to offer qualitatively equal products as to our competitors. So those would add the missing percentages to 100. Based on these informations, we are asked to determine the value position of the 4 presented products. How we go about this? First, going to copy the table from the slide before, then I'm going to add 2 more columns. In the first column, I'm going to add the relative price, which is simply my own price divided by the average competitor's price. So 0.95 divided by 1.15. 1.95 divided by 2.45 and so forth. So this value by this value, giving me these values here. And I directly see if I'm cheaper than the competition, the value is smaller than 1. If I'm more expensive than the competition, the value is larger than 1. Then I also have relative quality, which is just, since it's about shares, just share of superior products minus share of inferior products. So here 0.8 minus 0.05, 0.1 minus 0.2, 0.7 minus 0.1, and 0.2 minus 0.2. Well, with these 2 columns, I have all the information I need for this value map approach. And I can start with the sweets. With the sweets, I'm offering cheaper prices at a higher quality. Quality here, the break even is at 0. So I am offering much better quality than the competition at cheaper prices. So it's superior quality for money. With the chocolate, I charge cheaper prices, but I also offer cheaper quality. So I'm at a cheaper quality segment. With the pralines, I am at higher prices and better quality, which would put them into the luxury area. And finally, the chips. Well, here I have a problem. First off, I see I have higher prices, but I'm not having a positive or negative value for the relative quality. So this could be either luxury or inferior value for money. So here I need to take particular care to much more clearly work on my quality positioning. So either I could go with the inferior value for money, which would not be the ideal strategy, or I could go for luxury strategy, which would mean I have to increase the share of products where I'm rated superior to my competitors. Well, in those 2, I'm clearly positioned as well. With sweets, I have superior quality for money. So I could either decrease quality and save on, for example, materials, investments, or whatever, or I could increase the price and go for luxury strategy here as well. Well, with those comments, I already arrived at the conclusion of this exercise. So, hope you enjoyed it. I say goodbye and see you next time.